Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will learn how to design simple frame with weldment feature in SolidWorks like this. Okay, just start it. Click New and click Part. Click OK. For background, we can change in plain white, and in here we use millimeter unit. So I should select in millimeter, gram, second, like this. Now we just started from top plane. Right click on top plane and click sketch. Draw center rectangle. Draw from this point and set for dimension in here. Maybe in here I set in 1100, and in this line I set in 1100 millimeter, like this. So after that, we can select line and draw from this midpoint to this midpoint. Click exit sketch and we can see a view orientation. Just click from this view. Now you can start from Weldment. Just click Weldment on your menu. But if your SolidWorks not appear Weldment feature, don't panic. Right click, just click tabs and select or checklist Weldment. Automatically you have a Weldment feature in SolidWorks. Just click 3D sketch in here and select line. Draw from this point to bottom in here and click line again. Draw from this point to bottom. Set for dimension in here high. For example, I set in 750, and in here I set same in 750 millimeter, like this. So we can two mirror entities for this line and this line. We are about just click front plane. Click OK. And we can select line again, draw from this point, draw from this line to this line, and set for dimension. This point to this point, I set for distance in 300 millimeter. This point to this point, I set in 300 millimeter, like this. Click mirror entities and this mirror, click this line. Mirror about, select or click right plane. Click OK and repeat. Click again mirror entities, and it is mirror. Click this line and this line. For mirror about, select front plane. Just click OK. Okay. Now we have a simple sketch to dimension or frame. Just click again Weldments in here. First, we can exit sketch. Just click or select structural member. Structural member, and for standard it's many standard. But in here I use ISO standard. For example, click ISO. For type, for frame I use square tube, and for size choose in 80 by 80 by 5. Group, just click for group. Just click this line, this line, this line, and this line, like this. And you can see in here for apply corner treatment, it have many type. In here and meter, and butt, and in here is for connected segment is cut between connected segment, and in here is simple cut between connected segment. But in here I use cut between connected segment. Just click here, and for corner treatment I use and meter. Click again new group. Now just click this line, this line, this line, and this line, like this. And click again new group. Click this line. Click again new group. Now just click this line and this line. But position in here we can adjust for angle in here. In rotation angle you can set in 45 degree. Now the position is correct like this. And click again, new group. Just click this line and this line. Like before, the position for rotation angle is not correct. We can adjust in here rotation angle in 45 degree. Now we can see change like this. And just click OK. We can click here, I hide all types and view orientation from here like this. We just to make a simple frame, but in here we can see we can orientation for bottom in here. The bottom face for square tube frame still open. We can close with Weldment feature. The name is end cap. Just click end cap, and for parameter click this face, and in here for thickness direction you can adjust in here outwards, inward, or internal, but in here I use outward. For thickness, for example, I set in 20 millimeter. For in here offset, I select in offset value. I set in 20 millimeter too for offset value. And you can do reverse direction to inside, but in here I click out for direction. And just click corner treatment in here. For fillet in here, I set in 15 millimeter. For parameter in here, for face, we can to select another face in here. This face, and the last is this face. Okay. Just click OK. Click again in here, view orientation from isometric view like this, and we can to change for the color. Select all feature and click this icon, edit appearances, maybe in gray or dark. Just click OK. Okay, I think that's enough how to design simple frame with Weldment feature, use structural member and end cap in SolidWorks. It's perfect for beginner for exercise of learning. I apologize if there are any mistake of error in this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching until the end video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment in this channel. See you in the next tutorial, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.